Another type of interval that we're going to introduce is called Speedplay, and Speedplay works on varying your level of intensity through any activity. Now in this example I'm going to be using running, but you can do it with any form of cardio. Basically how it works as a general rule is that we do 30 seconds of a moderate active rest period, followed by 30 seconds of a high intensity, more intense period, and then 10 seconds of an all-out sprint as hard as you can. Now for the remainder of that 20 seconds, then you're going to go into probably just panting and resting. So by the end of that 10 seconds you should have been giving it everything, and you'll need that 20 seconds to recover, and after that 20 seconds you go back is your active recovery period. So what I've done there is one round, but what we're going to do is set that 30-second timer and go through these periods of different intensity levels. You don't have to stick to the strict 30 seconds. What I like to do is just go for a run and pick a point up ahead of me and say that's my moderate period, and when I get to that tree or that pole I'm going to push as hard as I can and count in my head for 10 seconds. You might want to use it with a timer, that's totally up to you. But as long as we're varying those levels of intensities through any type of cardiovascular exercise we're doing the right thing.